Is that Chicken King? The perfumer.
Wild chicken.
Wild Chicken King. Chicken! Oh, Soup asked who, like, the four-eyed chicken was or whatever.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I love chicken.
You know who I still haven't played with? Morningstar.
Oh. I haven't even seen Morning in a while.
I saw Morning.
Online.
I saw Morning on Blue's stream today.
Hunting?
Hunting.
Okay.
He's back. If he was
I
gone,
mean,
he hasn't taken off the NT thing yet.
He's not gone. He's just quiet. He's not on Discord very often.
He is not problematic. That is
also
why.
old.
That's true. In relation to like all the high tiers.
Morning's old.
Morning's old. Yeah, relative to the other high tiers. But no, but Morning is just vibing. Let him vibe. Who do we have?
Oh, that's Geisha at Shore and Anne at Big Boat Gate.
Yeehaw! Who do we have here? It is Anne. I am gone. Goodbye.
Anne is here.
Whee!
Oh, she coming towards middle?
If she wants to follow me, yes, she's coming towards middle.
There she is.
Cats.
I was wondering what the Enchantress was saying thank you to, but I realized it was the postman letter.
Aw.
Oh, postman. Hello.
Oh, what?
I guess I'll get a new segment.
My heartbeat's going strong, but the three of us are still here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't realize. Okay, I checked the illusion shop for fun just to see.
Illusion shop?
The illusion shop.
Oh yeah.
Just to see. Is that Anna?
Oh, I'm getting stunned. I'm just like, oh, I'm purple.
I heard that wah wah. And I was like,
It's okay.
oh my God.
So as long as it hit me and not anyone else, cause yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I checked it and I was just like, you have unclaimed rewards.
Oh yeah.
Is she on you?
What? So I got
No.
like the 13,000 fragments.
Oh nice.
Oh.
So what are you gonna get?
I just, because it's there, I got the Joseph accessory.
Oh
And I
nice.
still have like 13,000 left.
Nice. You could.
The feather actually.
Oh, does it? Should I buy it? Like I don't.
Okay, Astral Device is better with Israel.
I like having Astral Device better than the feather. No, I'll save my money for the BQ package.
Yeah, save your money for the package.
Thank you, Seer. This is a very calm game.
There's no one.
Hey, look, Anne's back. Watch out.
Anne.
She wants me? Girl.
Oh, nope.
She's ready to send her cats out. I wanna look at this.
Oh, post. Are they actually saying thank you? Wow, they're actually saying thank you. They mean it. I'm gonna farm.
Bro.
Oh, this pot's gone already.
What's what?
How it's going.
The palette, the nice 2 palette loop thing over there.
I see. Oh, yes, I know what you're talking about.
Shit, my owl. Thank you for the stun, lady. Please, I don't want to get you right now. Bro. Hap.
What happened?
I think she lagged.
Oh.
Oh, that's Anne. That's Anne. I didn't realize that was Anne. No, get out of here. Get out of here, you ugly cat. Get out of here.
Dude, my game is so jerky right now.
I guess we're all having problems. Cause yeah, that was happening to me today too.
Okay, but I'm playing on the Wi-Fi unless it's a custom one.
Well, there's still 30 seconds.
Whoa, 81 frames. Legendary. Screenshot. Over. Not anymore.
Did she just teleport back to the chair? That's wild.
Stupid stuns. How close is the cipher?
This one is not worked on very much. Anne does not want me at all. Everyone's going on for the rescue though. As I see Enchantress heading towards you. I see someone heading towards Cowboy.
Oh.
Oh, she had tied. Okay. I don't think this priestess is called a portal yet.
I only use a phone.
Alright, have fun. Priestess is going.
Geisha gave up on me really fast. I wonder why she did that.
She doesn't want you staring at her.
But why? Oh, it's fresh off there.
Oh, okay. Okay, sure. Whatever.
Can you give me a heal, actually?
Yeah.
What was that?
No! I needed perfume for this! This is the exact reason why I wanted perfume. Screw you, Anne. How could you? I'm... Where are we healing? Oh, there you are.
Next to a rock there.
Yes, I see you. I see you all.
Thank you. Oh, who's next? Okay. I got the anti-bleeding pill, don't worry.
You got all the drugs, didn't you?
Wait. Oh, cornfield's open.
Nice. Let's see. I have, I surprisingly only have... Oh yeah, I only have 2 stacks of...
Remove. Let's finish it.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
Goodbye! No! Nice. Oh, nice! Nice. Not nice. Let's get out of here. Wait, what happened? How'd you die?
I got Geisha. I got Geisha.
You got Geisha. Goodbye. Goodbye.
I'm still entertaining.
Oh wait, are you?
I'm-
Oh, you're on chair.
You know, I tried to lasso Fiona. I ended up lassoing the merchant. What was it? Oh, I ended up with a lassoing Gabby instead. And I'm like, well, this works too.
Well, you did save me because I got stunned.
Yeah.
What's this?
Wait,
Em đi ăn trước đi. Đi nhanh lên.
Geisha was a spider 1. Huh.
Wow.
Oh, there's a swarm.
She was a geisha. I'll say that's all I'll say. She was a geisha.
It was a Geisha. I got Geisha.
0 survivors escape.
Oh, yeah, run through the chair. That's weird. We can use spiders when there's people standing.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, there were no